This slide basically summarizes the roles in Six Sigma, all the belts which we have. In the previous video, we talked about yellow belt, the role of yellow belt, which this course is all about. So as a yellow belt, you participate and support the project team, and this support is provided within your existing responsibilities. So whatever responsibilities you have in regards to that, whatever support is required for Six Sigma project, you are doing that. So that's about Six Sigma yellow belt. If we just move above that is Six Sigma green belt. Six Sigma green belt either works under the black belt, or they can even do some medium sized projects of their own, independent project, but those projects would be of the medium complexity or the medium size. That's about green belt. And if you move above that is Six Sigma black belt. Six Sigma black belt basically reports to master black belt, and they are the one who actually implement or do Six Sigma projects. Six Sigma black belt is a full-time position generally in the organization. Six Sigma green belt and yellow belt would be part-time. So green belt and yellow belt will be doing whatever work they are doing in their organization, but in addition to that they will be supporting the project. But once it comes to black belt level, black belt has full-time responsibilities of Six Sigma project. So if we move above Six Sigma black belt, we have master black belt. Master black belt is identified by Six Sigma champion in the organization, and this person acts as the coach of Six Sigma. So basically this person is the master in Six Sigma, which helps in running the program in the organization. So this was about the yellow belt, green belt, black belt and the master black belt. If we just move to the side of that, we have three more responsibilities or even more than that. So responsibilities here is the sponsor. Sponsor is the higher management in the organization, which is interested in running Six Sigma program in the organization. And then we have process owners. So process owner is the one who is basically responsible for the particular process which is being improved under Six Sigma project. So if you are improving the production defect rate, then the process owner would be the production in charge of that particular area. This person is interested in improvement. So that's process owner, and you need to keep process owner engaged in this improvement, because end of the day process owner is the one who will be implementing all these ideas, all these suggestions, all these improvements which come out of Six Sigma project. In addition to that, we have a role of champions. So in organization you can have one or more champions which ensure that these Six Sigma projects or these Six Sigma improvement projects run. Whatever resources are needed for that, whatever support is required from the management side, champions help in providing that support. In addition to these roles, you can have a financial analyst, because earlier we said that any Six Sigma project would lead to some financial gain, because whatever improvements we do, we try to end up that improvement in the form of financial gains. So to ensure that these financial gains are well represented, these are authentic, we might have a financial analyst who can help in analyzing and quantifying the gains which we achieved from the Six Sigma project. So these are the roles which you can have in the organization depending on the level of implementation in the organization. Some organizations might have all these roles, some might have just few of these roles depending on what level of implementation you have in the organization. So this is all about the roles played in Six Sigma implementation.